Packing like a pro is more than just a skill. It's an art form that can turn the chaos of preparing for a journey into a seamless and enjoyable experience. Whether you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or an adventure into the unknown, the way you pack can make a world of difference. In this guide, we'll delve into the secrets of packing like a seasoned traveler, offering you practical tips and strategies to elevate your packing game to pro status. From creating a meticulously organized packing list to making the most of your available resources, you'll soon discover that packing like a pro isn't just about fitting everything into your bags. It's about packing with precision and purpose. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Creating an organized packing list. Before embarking on your journey, it's essential to create a meticulous packing list. This list will serve as the foundation for an organized packing process, ensuring you have everything you need while preventing overpacking. 2. Prioritizing the essentials. Now that you have your packing list, it's time to prioritize items based on their importance. Focus on essential items like identification documents, medications, and crucial clothing items. Allocate space for these must-haves first, leaving less critical items for later consideration. 3. Utilizing available resources. Rather than rushing out to buy new packing supplies, take a look around your home for existing resources. Repurpose items like suitcases, backpacks, and storage containers to minimize additional expenses. 4. Streamlining through decluttering. Before you start packing, undergo a thorough decluttering process. Categorize your belongings into items to sell, donate, or recycle. Remember, the less you have, the easier and lighter your packing process will be. 5. Opting for versatility. Select clothing and items that can serve multiple purposes. Versatile attire, for instance, can be worn on various occasions, reducing the number of clothing pieces you need to pack. 6. Efficient clothes packing. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a smart strategy. This method optimizes space in your luggage, minimizes wrinkles, and allows you to fit more items into your bags. Backpackers, in particular, find this technique invaluable. 7. Space-saving packing strategies. Maximize every inch of your luggage by filling gaps and empty spaces. Packing cubes or compression bags can be incredibly useful for organizing and condensing your clothes, making your packing more space-efficient. 8. Minimizing footwear. Shoes can consume a significant amount of space in your luggage. Limit the number of pairs you bring and opt for versatile options that can complement various outfits. 9. Travel-sized toiletries and reusable containers. To avoid purchasing full-size toiletries for short trips, invest in travel-sized products or use refillable containers. This not only saves money but also reduces waste, making it an eco-friendly and budget-conscious choice. 10. Borrow or rent instead of buying. For items you'll only need infrequently, such as specialized outdoor gear or formal attire for special occasions, consider borrowing or renting instead of making costly purchases. 11. Secondhand shopping for budget-friendly buys. When acquiring items you can't borrow, explore thrift stores, online marketplaces, or garage sales for cost-effective alternatives. 12. Plan ahead and avoid last-minute shopping. Planning well in advance allows you to make thoughtful purchases, saving you from the financial and logistical consequences of last-minute shopping. 13. Know your baggage fees. If you're flying, thoroughly research the baggage policies of your chosen airline. Stay within weight limits to avoid unexpected costs. 14. Pack snacks and reusable water bottles. Bringing your snacks and a reusable water bottle not only cuts expenses but also reduces waste. It's an eco-friendly and budget-conscious choice. 15. DIY packing materials. Instead of purchasing bubble wrap or packing paper, consider repurposing clothing and towels to cushion fragile items. This not only conserves resources, but also saves money. 16. Gadget cable management. Invest in cable organizers or use simple DIY solutions to keep your gadget cables tangle-free. Velcro strips, rubber bands, or even repurposed twist ties can be employed to neatly secure your chargers and cables. This not only saves time during packing and unpacking, but also ensures your electronics are ready to use without a mess of tangled cords. Efficient cable management is a small detail that can significantly contribute to the overall neatness and functionality of your travel setup. 17. Customized packing zones. Divide your luggage into specific zones for different types of items. For example, dedicate one section to clothing, another to gadgets, and a separate one for toiletries. This zoning system simplifies the packing and unpacking process, making it easier to locate items during your trip. Customized packing zones add a layer of organization to your luggage, preventing a chaotic jumble of items and helping you maintain order throughout your journey. 18. Weather-appropriate packing. Check the weather forecast for your destination and pack accordingly. This not only prevents overpacking, but also ensures you have the right clothing for the climate. Consider versatile layers that can be added or removed based on temperature fluctuations. Weather-appropriate packing demonstrates foresight and practicality, allowing you to be prepared for diverse weather conditions without carrying unnecessary items. 19. Ziploc bags for liquids and toiletries. Place toiletries in resealable Ziploc bags to prevent leaks and spills. This simple yet effective strategy protects your clothes and other belongings from potential liquid damage. It also makes security checks at airports more convenient. Utilizing Ziploc bags for liquids is a hassle-free method to maintain cleanliness and order within your luggage, especially when dealing with items like shampoo, lotion, or travel-sized liquids. 20. Documenting outfit combinations. Before packing, plan and photograph complete outfit combinations. This visual reference streamlines your decision-making process during your trip, ensuring you bring versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. This approach minimizes the number of clothing items you need to pack while maximizing your outfit options. Documenting outfit combinations adds a thoughtful and practical dimension to your packing routine, allowing you to curate a wardrobe that suits your travel needs. 21. Compact travel-friendly snack kit. Create a compact snack kit with a variety of travel-friendly snacks. Opt for non-perishable items like nuts, granola bars, and dried fruits. Having a snack kit on hand not only saves money on impulse purchases, but also ensures you have convenient and familiar snacks during your journey. A compact snack kit is a thoughtful addition to your packing list, catering to your hunger pangs and dietary preferences while on the go. 22. Multifunctional travel towel. Invest in a lightweight and quick-drying travel towel that can serve multiple purposes. This versatile item can be used as a towel, a beach blanket, or even a makeshift picnic mat. The compact size of travel towels saves space in your luggage while providing practical solutions for various situations. Including a multifunctional travel towel in your packing repertoire showcases a commitment to efficient and space-conscious travel, especially for those who enjoy outdoor activities or impromptu adventures. 23. Portable tech gadgets charger. Carry a portable charger for your electronic devices, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Choose a compact and high-capacity power bank that can charge multiple devices. This small investment provides peace of mind, especially during long journeys or when you're away from power outlets. A portable tech gadgets charger is a modern essential for travelers, offering convenience and flexibility in keeping your devices charged and ready for use. 24. Fragile item. Cushioning. For delicate items like souvenirs or breakables, use soft clothing items as cushioning. Wrap fragile items with t-shirts or socks to provide an extra layer of protection. This method not only safeguards your precious items, but also reduces the need for additional packing materials. Fragile item cushioning is a practical and eco-friendly approach to packing, minimizing waste while ensuring the safe transport of delicate mementos. 25. Mindful unpacking system. Develop a systematic approach to unpacking at your destination. Keep essentials easily accessible and unpack in a way that mirrors your packing zones. This thoughtful system simplifies your stay and minimizes the chances of leaving items behind during your departure. A mindful unpacking system complements your meticulous packing, creating a harmonious travel experience from the moment you arrive at your destination to the day you depart. By prioritizing essentials, streamlining your belongings, and embracing eco-friendly and budget-conscious alternatives, you can transform your packing routine into a smooth and efficient process. So, the next time you embark on a journey, remember these pro-packing strategies. With a well-organized packing list and a knack for space-saving techniques, you'll be ready to explore the world with confidence, knowing you've packed like a pro. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.